you want to know how to grow rosemary without buying anything,
Mom.
look at this. I am super excited about this. Rosemary. I put these in water months ago and I didn't think anything was going to happen. Look at that.
Yeah, look.
I would have given up.
Disgusting.
Yeah. Disgusting, hey? I would have given up months ago, except that I didn't have to do anything. I haven't even changed the water. I've just sat it in a glass out in the sun. And now, look at that. That is fascinating.
Mom.
Yes, darling.
That.
No, don't pick the flowers, sweetheart.
I'm Captain America.
You're Captain America. No, don't pick the flowers. So, what happened? I chopped some off, an existing plant that we had, but you could do the same from rosemary that you get from the supermarket. I just stuck it in water and then put it in the sun. Now, interestingly, I also had some in water in the kitchen, and we don't get direct sunlight in the kitchen. That died within about a week and a half. This, look at it. Isn't that amazing?
This is cute. It's even not.
Don't give up on it. Put it in a sunny spot and just leave it. Don't worry about changing the water. I haven't. Just wait, 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 because it takes forever. But now I can plant this and this is going to turn into its own little plant. That's amazing.